virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Welcome to Standard 2nd. Dear children, today we will enjoy the picnic along with Yash and Rama. And let us learn about the different shapes. Okay? By our first lesson of maths, the heading is Let's Find the Shapes. Here, this is your maths textbook of Standard 2nd. Okay? See, this is the front page. Here you can see a toy shop, isn't it? So many toys we can see here. Tops, balls, dolls, cars, toy cars, isn't it? Chocolates, etc. Right? Some books also we can see. And fruits also. Right? And two children, they came with their parent to purchase the toys. Right? Dear children, here we will play games and we will try to learn some new concepts. Okay? Now, this is your back page of Maths textbook, Standard 2nd. Here, you can see two children, isn't it? They are playing with the help of dice and some seeds. And you can see a doggy and a pussy cat. They are also enjoying with these kids. Right? Yes. This year we will play different types of games in maths and we will learn new things. Shall we proceed to our first game? The first game is nothing but the picnic to the farm fresh air. In this lesson, that is, let's find the shapes. Here the family that includes Mummy, Papa and Yash and Rama. Along with them, their pets like Motia, the dog, Pussy, the cat and Gumpu, the monkey. All go to picnic on Sunday. Let us accompany them in their picnic and let's too have the fun of their picnic. Let's find the shapes. Now in this picnic we are going to study about some shapes. Okay? Now here, a picnic on Sunday. You know Sunday is a holiday, right? Papa, Mummy, all have holiday. So a picnic on Sunday in farm fresh air. All shaped veggies we could find there. We get vegetables in the farm. You know that, right? Where we get the vegetables? In the towns. We get the vegetables in the shops. But shops get the vegetables from the farm. Got this? खेती से आते हैं ना vegetables सब. Yes, farm is nothing but खेती. Okay? A picnic on Sunday in farm fresh air. All shaped veggies we could find there. देखेंगे अभी कौन सी vegetables लेके आएगा. Veggies means different types of vegetables. Okay. Now here you can see this is Yash. This is Rama. See here pussycat. This dog. Its name is Motia. And she is Rama's mummy and Rama's papa. Okay. Got this? Okay. They all came to the farm to enjoy their picnic. Here in the basket, you can see some things they brought to the picnic from their home. See some toys, some eatables, mat, right? Some spoons, utensils, बर्तन, right? ये सब वो लोग घर से लेके आए क्योंकि ये सब फार्म में नहीं मिलता है. Isn't it? Okay. What the doggy or the Motya brought? See here, when he dug the soil, Motya had found cone-like carrots under the ground. See here, you can see Motya with the carrot, right? Where we get carrots? Under the ground. Carrots अपने को किधर मिलते हैं? Under the ground. Ground के नीचे, जमीन के नीचे मिलते हैं, right? उसने क्या किया? मोतिया ने डग किया, जमीन को खोदा, तभी उसको क्या मिला? कैरेट मिला. ओके, सी द शेप ऑफ द कैरेट. कैरेट कैसा है? कोन जैसा है. इजंट इट? कोन के शेप में देखेंगे बाद में हम लोगों. ओके, here you have to remember that Motya brought cone like carrot, okay, from the ground. He kept the carrot here. Here you can see Yash brought tomatoes, red and round. Some long brinjals also he found. Now Yash brought tomatoes. You can see in his hand tomatoes. How are they? They are red in color and round in shape, isn't it? And some long brinjals. They are elongated or they are longish, right? He brought two vegetables, tomatoes and brinjals. Okay? Now see here, we got now carrots, tomatoes and brinjals. Let us see what Rama brought. Rama got the cucumbers, green and fresh, some straight cylinders and some bent at the waist. You can see cucumbers in her hand. Some are straight. See, this is a straight one. This is the bent one. Right? Yes. She brought this one from the farm. Now here we got carrot, tomatoes, round tomatoes. Here we got cone shaped carrot, round tomatoes, cucumbers, cylindrical, right? And longish or oval shaped brinjals. Now let us see what Gampu brought. Gampu, the name of their monkey, isn't it? Tamarind from a tree and a little bit of garlic was all that Gampu and Pussy could pick. Yes, Gampu brought tamarind. You can see tamarind in the hands of Gampu. Tamarind बोला तो इमली. मुंह में पानी आया? इमली. Okay? And Pussy brought garlic, lasoon. Can you see here? This is garlic. Who brought? Pussy brought. Okay? Like that, here we collected so many vegetables. Which all are they? Carrot, tomatoes, brinjals, cucumbers, garlic and tamarind. Isn't it? Now, after that, Mummy, she roasted rotis and Papa cooked veggies. Such a nice picnic. Could we come again, please? Yes, they got so many veggies in the farm. Fresh veggies in the fresh farm. And they enjoyed all the things, these veggies, under the fresh air. Here the mama roasted rotis. Mama ने रोटी बनाया and papa cooked veggies. पापा ने सब्जी बना ली. Okay, and after that we all sat along with Motya, Gampu and Pussy and enjoyed the meal. And they wished to come again and again here to enjoy the picnic. Isn't it a nice one? Now dear children, now by the help of these veggies collected by Rama, Yash, Gampu, Motya and Pussy, we will try to find the shapes. Okay? We will learn shapes of these vegetables. See, this is a carrot. You know this, right? Gajar. See the shape. We will draw a line here. See, this is the shape of carrot. Isn't it? Now we will draw the same shape beside of this. See, this is the shape of carrot. Yes. Here we get these shaped caps. Right? And birthday cap, this is, you know this. Okay. And this is cone. Ice cream cone. Isn't it? So we call this shape as cone shape or conical shape. What we call cone or conical shape. We get cone shaped carrots. Okay, remember the shape of the carrot is cone. Next, here you can see a tomato. Isn't it? What is the shape of this tomato? We'll draw. See this. Same thing. We will draw beside. See this. You know the name of this shape, isn't it? See here we get bangles. And our sun is also having the same shape. What is the name of this shape? That is round. Okay? Or we can say circle. Means here you can say tomatoes are round in shape. Okay? Now this is bangan. In English, brinjal. Right? Here also we will draw the line. Same thing we will draw here. This you can say the oval shape or a longish round. Say this. A round is elongated. Longish. Correct? You can see balloon 2 here. The shape is called oval or longish round, you can say. Okay? See this. You know, this is called tamarind, imli. Right? Here also we have drawn the shape. Correct? Now we will take it beside. Okay. Now, can you remember anything of this shape? Yes, very good. Moon. Right? Moon has this shape. Right? Here you can see the shape of the banana too. The name of this shape is crescent shape. What is the name? Crescent. Okay? Here we can say tamarind has crescent shape. Got this, children? We'll move to next one. See, this is cucumber. Kakdi. Correct? Yes. Here also we will draw the shape. We will take it beside. Yes. What you can remember of this shape? Yes. Very good. Drum. Right? And one more, here this is a log. What is this? This is a wooden log. The shape of the wooden log, the shape of the drum is same like that of cucumber. So this is called as cylindrical shape or cylinder. Cucumber has cylindrical shape. Okay, got this? Now here you can see garlic, lasun, what we call garlic. Okay, now we will draw the shape. Same thing we will draw beside. Yes, here we get a fruit called pear. I hope you have seen this in the market, or you have seen this in your house when your parents brought this. This is called pear. So the shape of this is called pear shape. Okay, got this? So garlic has pear shape. Here, match the object with its shape. Here objects are shown and some shapes are given. Okay, now see the first one, tomato. Come on, tell me what is the shape of this tomato? Yes, very good. That is round. Second one, that is banana. Come on, match the shape of banana with this. Yeah, it is right. This is crescent shape. Correct? Now the third one is drum. Now only three shapes left. This is oval, this is conical shape, this is cylindrical. Yes, you are right. Drum has cylindrical shape. Now what about cone? This is very easy. Cone is cone shaped. Last one, balloon. It has oval shape. Got this, children? I hope you understood about these shapes. Right? You must remember the names of these shapes. See, this is oval, this is cone, this is crescent, this is round, and this is cylinder. Okay? Yes, dear children, this is homework for you. Name the shape of the object. Some objects are given. Each object has its own shape. Here you can see the orange, onion, lemons. This is bottle guard and this is bottle. You know the shapes and you know the names of these shapes. Please try to identify the shapes and try to name them. Okay? Bye bye, children. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.